All right, this is Physics Chapter 2, Problem 37. It says a driver has a reaction time of 0.5 seconds and the maximum deceleration of her car is 6 meters per second squared. She's driving at 20 meters per second when suddenly she sees an obstacle on the road 50 meters in front of her. Can she stop the car in time to avoid a collision? So to find all this, we have to use the equation v squared equals velocity initial squared plus 2a times the change in x. So her velocity initial is 0, and so that just leaves us with 2a times the change in x. So it gives us her velocity and it gives us her acceleration, so we just have to find the change in x. So her velocity was 20 meters per second, and then we have to square that, and then we just plug in 2 times her acceleration, which is 6 meters per second squared, and then times the change in x, and so then that gives you 400 equals 12 times the change in x, and to solve for the change of x we just divide this by 12 to get it on one side. So it gives us our change in x is 33.3 meters, so that's the time it takes, or the distance it takes her to stop. So the question's asking us, can she stop the car in time to avoid collision? So the obstacle is 50 meters in front of her, so we have to multiply her velocity and her reaction time to see if she stops in time. So it's 20 meters per second times 0.5 seconds is her reaction time. So then that gives us 10 meters. And we have to subtract it from how far the obstacle is in front of her, so it's 50 minus 10, so that's 40 meters. And you can see by our calculation there that she does stop in time, because it would have taken 40 meters for her to hit the obstacle.